or a video collage for pins. And we'll go into Keynote, and we'll hit New Document. So we're going to do just a plain white presentation. I'm going to shrink my screen just a little bit. We're going to zoom out. We're going to go up here to Document, and we're going to change the size. So I'm going to make this 1000 pixels or points by 2000 points. So Pinterest only allows you to do up to, for videos, up to 1:2 ratio on that, so it can only be like 800 by 1600 pixels or 1000 by 200. So you can't go any taller than that. So this is where I have it set, and it works pretty good. So hit OK. I'm going to zoom out a little bit more to make it easier to fit everything in. So we're going to open up my file. And I'm going to go up to this Apple Roundup. So then I am going to use a small collage that has text in it. I'm going to drag that onto there. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger to fit the space. And then I'm going to upload my video. So I got made a square video for this Apple recipe roundup. So I'm going to drag that up there too. So then I drag that to fit, and I can adjust where I want it to fit. So I'm just going to bring it up just a little bit so it looks okay. So then that's pretty much all you have to do. If I want to hit play, it'll show me kind of a preview of what the pin would look like. So I go up to File, Export as Movie, and I'm going to make this a higher resolution. So I'm going to do 1080, and then Next, and then I'm going to call this my Apple Roundup Video Collage Pin, and I'll save it to my desktop, and then I'll export. So that's all you have to do to make a collage pin that has video and a still image in it if you want, with that text as well.